Hello guys, this is the second project report that I have made, that is the file structure laboratory mini project report on railway management system. There are many file structures that we can use. Example, indexes, hashing, trees, B trees, B plus trees and many more. One of the file structure that I have implemented is the hashing. So in this project report, the first page is the covering sheet in which the proper page border has to be done. Next, the justification has to be done, alignment of the sentences has to be done, the line spacing has to be done and many more. And even the page number should be added either at the right hand side or else the left hand side bottom side. The second is the certificate. In this, the signature of the guide, HOD, the internal as well as the external examiner has to be done. The third is the table of contents. In this, overall the project summary we have to add. Example, introduction about the project, the objectives, the conclusion, references, the code and many more. So abstract railway reservation system. As we know that this is a computerized system that facilitates the passengers. The passengers either they can book the tickets, they can cancel the tickets, they can get to know when the train is available and many more. The two major functions in this I've added is the user functions as well as the admin functions. Next, the description of the project has to be done. History of the file structure. As we know that before starting the file structure, first we need to describe what is the file structure, how many file structures are there and many more. Next, the introduction. The objectives, what are the file attributes that we can use, and the different access methods. The two access methods are sequential as well as the index file organization. Next, the file structure that we have implemented, that we need to describe in detail, some 2 to 3 pages, like what is hashing, what are different types of hashing, what are the characteristics of hashing and many more. In this, the definition of hashing technique I have added. There's a different types of hashing functions we need to add, the characteristics of a good hash function, and the different methods to handle this we need to add. Collision, chain method, linear probing method can be used, double hashing, its advantages, disadvantages, static hashing, dynamic hashing. Make sure that the introduction about the project should not be too lengthy, it should be like a gist. Next, the implementation of a project has to be done. Like the language which you have used, I have used Python since it is easy to code, the syntax is very simple. The code of our project, the IDE which I have used is Visual Studio Code. Next, we have implemented our project, right? We have to mention what are the features of the railway reservation system, what are the advantages for the users as well as the admin, that we need to mention. At last, the conclusion of a railway reservation system and this project in the future enhancement where it can be used, that we need to mention, and overall the references. So this is the project report. So for more project reports, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.